welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Hazel. And for today's video, I got good news for you. So I get my first ever paycheck here in YouTube, and I'm going to be walking you throughout the process of how I get there and all those details. So I get here my Google AdSense. I sent a request last August of last year. I requested it twice and I got it last January of this year. So actually this piece of paper is not your paycheck. So it is what you get in the mail to get monetized. And there is a verification code in here that you use when you're setting up your Google AdSense. So it is very important to get paid, right? So moving on into this journey of getting my first paycheck or revenue. Let's start from the beginning. So I started my channel in 2020. So the videos that I have are more about my classes and ESL tips. And now I'm making videos about working from home, side hustle, and some tips and tricks on how you get an online job and many more. Why I started uploading videos on YouTube? Because during pandemic, a friend asked me for tips on how to apply as an ESL teacher. So I uploaded a video about how how to become an ESL teacher. Right. So that's how it all started. In August of 2023, I hit 1,000 subscribers. So if you don't know anything about the requirements to get monetized, you have to have a 1,000 subscribers, and then you have to have 4,000 watch hours. So yesterday, I finally received my first ever paycheck or revenue here in YouTube, and uh, truly tough work pays off because it's not easy to edit the videos and to research a new company that is legit. So thank you to all my subscribers and everyone watching my videos, and I hope you will continue watching and supporting my So that's it for today's video. This has been your teacher Hazel once again saying dream without fear, love without limits, live without regrets. Till next time.